Guys, in front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So, at first you have to open your phone dialer, and now let's start with the first code, a very short one, which is *#06#, and this one will provide you with email number. So if you need to check email number pretty quickly, just enter this code, and here it is. Tap on OK. Then another code that you can use is *##, 225 ###. And here you've got calendar info. So from now on, all upcoming events from every calendar of yours will be displayed right here, right in front of you. Let's go back. And another code that you can use here is *##, 426 ###. And here you've got events and status, and you can smoothly check everything. Whenever you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and mark advanced view, and here you've got way more information. So yep, this is how FCM diagnostic mode looks like, and actually that was the last code that I wanted to show you today. Enjoy, use them whenever you need. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.